In this video, we'll break down the core pain points holding engineering firms back today and why outsourcing has become a critical solution. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Staff shortage. 2. Project backlog and overload. 3. PE and senior engineers are restricted by production work. 4. RFI, reword, approval pressure. 5. PE and high-level staff doing red lines. 6. Cost and hiring challenges. 7. Market reality. 1. Staff shortage. Engineering and construction firms across the US, UK, Canada, and Australia are facing more pressure than ever. Workloads are rising, projects are becoming more complex, and submission deadlines keep getting tighter. 2. Project backlog and overload. At the same time, there is a severe shortage of qualified civil engineers, AutoCAD and Civil 3D drafters. Many companies simply cannot hire fast enough to meet demand. 3. PE and senior engineers are restricted by production work. This shortage leads to overloaded internal teams, growing project backlogs, and slower delivery, even for companies with strong reputations in the industry. 4. RFI, reword, approval pressure. Many senior engineers want to take on more projects, but the real barrier isn't engineering work. It's the production workload behind every project. Red lines, revisions, drafting, and submission preparation. For many firms, 20% is engineering and 80% is production work. 5. PE and high-level staff doing red lines. Many companies face repeated RFIs, design conflicts, and rework caused by rushed or incomplete drawings. Cities and local authorities are enforcing stricter submission standards, increasing pressure on engineering teams. 6. Cost and hiring challenges. At many firms, PE engineers and senior managers still spend hours doing red lines, corrections, and production revisions. This creates silent cost leakage. It's like you're paying Ferrari prices to deliver a Nissan. Premium engineering talent is being used for production-level tasks, causing unnecessary cost and slowing overall efficiency. 7. Market reality. Labor costs continue to increase, and hiring full-time engineers takes months. Training, onboarding, and retaining technical talent require significant time and resources. Engineering teams are stretched thin. Too many deadlines, too much work, and not enough staff to deliver everything on time. To maintain performance under these pressures, firms need a way to stabilize capacity, reduce rework, and keep production consistent, without depending solely on full-time hiring. With the right outsourcing partner, companies can reduce delays, improve accuracy, speed up submissions, and maintain predictable production without increasing full-time headcount. This is why many firms are turning to structured outsourcing support, including partners like CEI Engineers, to stabilize capacity and improve drawing accuracy without increasing full-time headcount. CEI Engineers. Your time, your budget, your choice. Your best outsourcing partner.